Hello guys, we're back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 1990 guys. The given question is a graph is a planar. Okay, so they are talking about planarity if and only if. Okay, so if you observe the question carefully, if you observe the options carefully, there is a particular type of a graph guys. K5 which is a complete graph with the 5 vertices and K33 bipartite graph with the 3, 3 vertices. So the most important thing that I have informed you in few PYQ and as well as in our course is so the smallest non-planar graph is K5 and K33 are the smallest non-planar graphs guys. Okay, so what does option A says? So option A says that it does not contain subgraphs homomorphic to K5 and K3. Okay, so option B says it does not contain, everything is saying it does not contain subgraph of isomorphic to K5 or K3. Option 3 says it does not contain a subgraph isomorphic to K5 or K3. Okay, so it does not contain a subgraph homomorphic to K5 and K3. So the most important thing that you should know to solve this particular question is, so everyone is working with subgraphs only, right? Yes. The only thing that you should understand is what is the difference between homomorphic and isomorphic guys. So two graphs are said to be isomorphic if they are similar guys. So if they are exactly same, we call them as isomorphic. When it comes to homomorphic, two graphs are said to be homomorphic if their subgraph, if this graph's subgraph and this graph's subgraph are same. So at that time you can say that these are homomorphic. Got it? Yes. So now by understanding this simple definition, I think you are able to eliminate two options, right? Yes. So if you recall, so if there is a graph which contains K5 or if it contains K33, then it is compulsory non-planar, right? Yes. So with that understanding, it should be homomorphic, right? It should not be isomorphic. So K5 is having only one structure, right? So it is not isomorphic to some other thing, right? Yes. So that is the main reason why isomorphism can be eliminated from here, right? Yes. So now moving on to the next option A and option D. So now let us compare. So option A says it does not contain subgraph homomorphic to K5 and K3. Here it is saying or. Okay. So the most important thing is if there is a graph, assume this as a graph and this as a graph. So if this graph is having either K5 or K33, so if it is having it, it's not planar, that's it. It is not mandatory that it should have both. But this option is stressing and, means it is indirectly wrong. So with that conclusion, you can say that option D is the most appropriate correct answer. Got it? Yes. So it should be a subgraph homomorphic to K5 or K33. Okay. Remember the definition of homomorphism guys, as I have informed you, right? Okay. So I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.